Did you know that one of the greatest love stories in literary history wasn't between two famous writers? It was between a writer and her husband, and almost nobody talks about it. Vita Sackville West and Harold Nicholson married in 1913. Both knew, early on, that they were drawn to people of the same sex. They could have walked away. They didn't. Instead, they built something almost impossible to explain. They gave each other freedom. Vita fell deeply in love with Virginia Woolf. Harold had serious relationships of his own, and yet, on every day they spent apart, they wrote to each other. Thousands of letters, nearly 50 years of them. Virginia Woolf was so moved by Vita that she wrote Orlando as a love letter to her. That story is famous. What isn't famous is this. Vita always came home to Harold. At the end of his life, Harold said their marriage was the one complete happiness he had ever known. They broke every rule, and somehow, that's exactly what made it last.